Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here from Erin Floto Designs, and I am here to do my August plan with me. And as you can see here, I actually used some of the solar paper from the Archer and Olive Charming Picnic subscription box. This was not the latest subscription box, it was the one prior to that. And I decided to use different flowers and things around my property and do the solar paper where you expose it and then put it in water, and then it creates like an image on the solar paper. I can link to the Archer and Olive video below if you are interested in how the solar paper works, and I will go ahead and see if there's any Charming Picnic boxes left and link those below as well. So like I said, I took flowers from all around my property. August is my birthday month, and my property is something that I have been really working on and I'm really proud of. So I really wanted to highlight that in August. And I think that solar paper is such a cool concept, and it brings out such cool colors. So I decided to go ahead and do that for my August theme. I really wanted that aspect to like flourish in this spread, so I did not add a lot of extra things at all. The only thing I did was white pen, and I also did the metallic blue from Archer and Olive. So that is what I've used for the entirety of this setup. And this calendar page, oh my god, I love how it turned out. So I did keep things really, really simple this month. I really, I'm in a little bit of a planner rut. So basically, because everyone moved into a new planner, not everyone, but a lot of people moved into a new planner in July, I'm a little jealous because I have been using two planners since the beginning of the year. And I kind of missed that little itch and that little refresh when it came to setting up a new journal in July. So I'm rethinking doing this process again in 2024. It's time to start thinking about all that kind of stuff, which is a little crazy. So I'm kind of rethinking all of that. But I do still like moving back and forth between the white and the black. But I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm having a lot of mixed feelings for 2024. But because I have been in that little bit of a planner rut, I did want to keep things super simple. So I did stick to a very minimal color palette. I did stick to really letting the solar paper speak for itself. I didn't want to add a lot of extra things to any of these spreads. If anything, I added just a little design next to my headers, but other than that, I really wanted the solar paper to speak for itself and kind of take a minute to chill a little bit. I've been going, I feel like, full speed. Of course, it's the summer, so I'm a lot busier in the summer than I am in the winter, because in the winter there's not much to do, and in the summer there's a ton to do. So I have been very busy, and that also makes it really difficult to use your planner effectively when that's probably the best time to use your planner. So I think I'm also in a planner rut because of that situation. So it is what it is. We will get used to it. This does happen most years. I feel like in particular this year is worse, just because of what I mentioned about not getting that little bit of a planner refresh in July. So overall, it's not that bad, but it could be better. So I love what I did here. So I took the solar paper. So these had the most stark images, and I cut it down so that way it can mimic the curves of the calendar, which I really enjoyed. And as I mentioned, this is my birthday month, so I am taking a little bit of time in August, and I actually started already in July. I'm going down to one video a week. I just feel very burnt out. There's a lot of things going on, and I don't want to miss out on anything that's going on this summer, because I know I don't have that much time to do things, because honestly, fall is going to be right around the corner, and then winter. So I definitely want to make the most of my time now. And of course, with fall around the corner, that means Black Friday is around the corner. And I do have something very, very new this year that I'm working on. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a pre-sale for an advent calendar. So the advent calendar will ship around when I do Black Friday, which is at the end of October. But the pre-sale will start in August. So I will have more information for you then, but it is a stationary advent box. There's going to be sticker kits, stencils, some more stationery items, a lot of exclusives just for the box that I'm designing, but it is all stationery items. So I am really, really excited for that. It is a full 25-day advent calendar. So, of course, I will give more information when that becomes available in August. So I think it will be that first Monday of August. My plan is for the pre-sale to run for 2 weeks, because some of these things I am getting manufactured. That is why it is a pre-sale. And so I will work on getting those manufactured and then shipped out at the end of October. So that way you guys have it in plenty of time for December. So that is the goal. I'm really excited about it. It's not something I've ever done before, so I wanted to do something because I haven't been doing a ton of physical products, and I think this is kind of the way that I'm going to do things from now on, is like I do have the digital subscription, I do have digital items in my shop, but every once in a while I will do something that is like physical, but it will be in a pre-sale format. That way it gives me enough time to put together all of the items and not feel so anxious and enough to, kind of live my life, because this is not my full-time job, and I just want to make sure that I am doing what's best for me, and also being able to get some stuff out to y'all. So that is the plan. Again, I will have more information when that becomes available. I am very, very excited for the advent. I have designed about half of the items already, and my God, I am so thrilled with how they are turning out. If you are interested, I have sneaked a couple things in my Discord, so I will have that linked down below if you are interested in joining our Discord. I do want most of the box to be not necessarily secret, but I don't want to expose a lot of the things, because that is kind of the point of an advent, is like you're surprised every day with what is available, and so I don't want to ruin the surprises. But I am not good at surprises. That is not my forte. I mean, you can ask my partner every single time it's like his birthday or something like that, or a Father's Day. I gave him his Father's Day stuff, I don't know, 3 weeks in advance, I think. I just get really excited for when I know other people are going to be excited for their things. So I don't like to wait. I like to see them happy. So I like to give gifts really, really early. I hate waiting for Christmas. It's, again, not something I enjoy at all. So I totally missed covering the last 2 pages. I did do a habit tracker. So I am going to track similar habits to what I did for 75 Hard, but I am not doing 75 Hard in August. I will finish 75 Hard. July 29th is the last official day. So for me, I won't be doing those things, but honestly, a lot of those things are things that are important to me anyways. Working out, all that kind of stuff, drinking enough water. I am very passionate about those things, so I do want to track a lot of those same things. It's stuff I was tracking before 75 Hard. It's stuff I'm going to track after that. and I will have a full video on my feelings about 75 Hard. I have written a fiery blog post of things to date that I have felt are a little crazy about this challenge, and may not be entirely safe. So, yeah, we'll talk about it, but I'm not condoning that program is all I'm trying to say. So anyways, I will have more information once I like fully complete it. I won't finish the blog post until I complete it as well. But like, I wanted to kind of get my thoughts down as I was experiencing them as well. So the last, oh, and then I had a goals page as well. And then the last page I have is my master task list. I do only have 4 columns on here. I think I'm going to consolidate the home and projects into one list, have work as a list. I'll combine my business and business and filming lists. And then what else? What other column did I have? I think I only had 5 this time. So I might put a finances. Yeah, I have work, home, projects, film, business stuff. So I generally have 3 work, home, business, 3 categories. So I might add finances to that last column, or I'll still put business and filming separately. So this is the whole setup for August. It is my birthday month. I'm so excited. So let me know what theme that you are doing in August, and please leave a flower down in the comments if you've made it this far. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.